Creme of Nature Hydrating Color Boost is a non-drying, semi-permanent hair color that nourishes each strand of hair as it colors with moisturizing and conditioning formula enriched with pure honey. The collection is available in 8 colors, 6 vivid shades and 2 natural shades. The 6 vivid shades are indigo blue, royal purple, fuchsia, fire red, magenta, light golden copper. The 2 natural shades are silky jet black and dark chocolate brown. I'm glad you asked, honey. Semi-permanent hair color is an alternative to permanent hair color that can last for a few shampoos. Semi-permanent hair color is a non-damaging, short-term way to color your hair or change your look. Permanent hair color lasts for 8 weeks or more and is used to lighten, darken, add or change the color of your hair. Creme of Nature Semi-Permanent Color protects against breakage and is formulated without ammonia and peroxide. It's a color conditioner formulated to condition and moisturize your hair as it colors. The hair color is also enriched with natural certified pure honey and is safe and gentle for all hair types. It's a ready-to-use, no-drip, non-drying formula and does not require any mixing before using. It smells so good, honey. Yes, you heard us right. Our semi-permanent hair color has the same blooming fragrance of pure honey found in our hair care collection. The vivid shades in the Creme of Nature Hydrating Color Boost collection are bright, vibrant, and rich in color, while the natural shades are designed to refresh your natural hair color or blend your grays. Our Hydrating Color Boost collection is formulated to last for up to 4 shampoos. However, this can vary depending on your previous color application and the porosity of your hair. You don't have to worry about any long-term commitment such as permanent coloration here, and you can change your hair color as often as you'd like. If you have long or thick hair, more than 1 tube is needed to achieve your desired color. Yes, honey, for vibrant color, we suggest pre-lightening your hair before applying our vivid color. Our Hydrating Color Boost collection is formulated without peroxide and ammonia, making it safe to use after pre-lightening or bleaching. This product is not recommended for darker hair as color results will not be visible. We recommend that for vibrant color, you should pre-lighten your hair before color application. Coloring your hair is a chemical process. In general, the lighter you go, the more prone your hair is to dryness and breakage. It is critical to deep condition your hair to maintain optimal moisture levels along with daily conditioning to prevent breakage and maintain the health of your hair. There are several things to consider after coloring your hair to maintain healthy hair. Tip 1, be consistent. Set aside a routine once per week to treat the hair with nourishing products such as sulfate-free shampoos, moisturizing conditioners, and leave-in conditioners. It is often the lack of consistency to nourish the hair that causes damage. Tip 2, daily moisturizers and oils are good options to lock and seal hydration and moisturize while adding shine to the hair. Tip 3, when wetting the hair to cleanse or co-wash, use lukewarm to cool water temperatures. Using a cooler temperature closes the cuticles of your hair, locking in moisture and hydration. Tip 4, always use a heat protectant when using heat tools on the hair. Heat can disrupt the bonds in the hair. Over excessive use of heat tools can cause damage, breaking the hair strand. Tip 5, trim the ends of the hair strand as often as 4 to 6 weeks apart. However, this can vary depending on the styles that you choose from your hair. For example, if you blow dry your hair often, you'll want to trim more often. Frequent manipulation of the hair causes wear and tear. Or if you wear protective styles often, the hair is far less manipulated and may not require trims as often. Trimming the ends keeps the hair from continuous splitting and the cuticles from unraveling up the strand.